Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you are doing great and I am also fine. So what are you doing today? Today I am going to show you how to draw a tulip flower. Have you ever heard the name of tulip flower? Yeah, I am sure you heard about that. Do you know why the flower name so? Because tulips look like a turban. Turban is headwear material which were used by Turkish people. If you are interested to see how turban is used, you can search it in YouTube or in Google Chrome. But I think it's like a tube, so that's why its name is tulip flower. I'm not sure, but I think so. That what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. It's time to listen to a story about tulip flower. So get started. Once there was a pretty little girl. She had a lovely garden, very lovely. She loved tulip flower very much because it had so variant types of colors. One night she heard laughing of many children from the garden. She woke up, switched on the lamp, but there were nobody in the garden. Oh, how that happened? She thought and again went to sleeping. Next morning, she went to the garden and so there were plenty of tulip flowers blooming. She was very happy. She was very pleased to see them. She called her mom to see the flowers. The baby girl wanted to pick some tulips. Mom, can I have some? But her mom forbade her to do so. The mom said, don't pick the flowers, baby. They have life just like you and me. So please don't keep them. They look nice when they are with their mom, just like you and me, baby girl. The baby girl then realized and promised her mom not to hurt any plants without reason anymore. That night, the baby girl was sleeping. Suddenly, her room became enlightened and she woke up surprisingly. What is happening? She had no idea. But surprisingly, she saw there were many tulip flowers smiling at her room and thanks her for becoming kind to them. The next morning, the baby girl woke up happily and hugged her mom. She said, thank you, mom, for always being with me and teaching me good manners and being kind to everyone that has life. Dear babies, I don't know how much you've grown up, but you will be a little one to your mom. Oh, I am getting emotional, babies. But that is the end of the story. But my drawing is not end yet. So let's narrate and give some tips about drawing. Look, drawing is a matter of mental thing. So when you draw, you just think your imagination, you just implement your imagination, what you are drawing, what you were just put the things together in from your imagination and just draw. I am giving you an example, babies. Look, I am giving you an example. I am showing, but you are the one who has the chance to make them in reality. Play with colors, babies. Play with colors. Play with them. Look, there are many shades of colors. You can use yellow and orange, and look, surprisingly, there is an amazing shade of colors. You can use red and orange and yellow, and then look how beautiful it is. Look, normally leaves are green, but if you put some green color and yellow color, look how amazing it look like. So my suggestion is, when you walk or when you do something, just take a deep breath and look at them, how it look like, then draw. Everybody has a unique drawing technique. I can draw this way, they can draw in that way. So it's your choice to how to draw. I am just showing how I draw. Okay, so love you babies, and I hope you will enjoy the video very much, and please subscribe my channel for more stories with drawing. Love you babies, love from this auntie. Thank you, bye.